بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم أمين. وبعد, welcome back to Tajweed 101 course, simple step-by-step Tajweed course that enables you inshallah to understand and Tajweed properly. My name is Maghfera and I'm an online Quran teacher, and you are watching Maghferaeducation, the place to learn and know and understand how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today inshallah we are going to continue this course and start with the mistakes that may happen to letter Kha. Mistakes that may happen to letter Kha. We have 5 mistakes that may happen to when we read letter Kha. Okay, let's try to understand them. Number 1. Mistakes that may happen to letter Kha when we read letter Kha. We have 5 mistakes that may happen when we start reading letter Kha. We inshallah will learn them to avoid them in the future inshallah. Number 1, over pressing on the articulation point of letter Kha. Letter Kha, as you remember, is produced from the root of the tongue with the epiglottis area or epiglottis part. When we overpress, when we press more than needed, the sound will be the same as a snoring sound. The exact sound of a snoring sound, like and this is not letter Kha. Letter Kha, try to press and leave a little bit tiny space. Okay, Kha, Khi, Khu, like this. For example, al-khan, the mistake, the wrong way is al-khannas. How to solve this? How to fix this problem? Try to remove this over pressure and read it in a moderate way. Al-khan, not al-kha. Kha. No, it is al-kha. Al-khannas. Like this. And this is the first mistake that may happen to letter Kha. The second mistake that may have we may have, or that some may do, is make it light letter, or read it as a light letter, which means that don't elevate the posterior part of the tongue up when reading this letter. Like for example, khalidina, some may read it as khalidina. Kha. Where's the elevation? We have to make the elevation. We have to make the tongue elevated from the posterior part of the tongue so that the letter is produced. Kha, khalidin, khalidin, kha, like this. You have to make the elevation. Okay? The third mistake is over heaviness than needed. We know that Kha is from the heavy letters, and the heavy letters have levels. Okay? And from these levels, that the least level is when the letter is with kasra. So if we have, for example, khifah, we have to read it as a khi, not khui. Some may read it as a khoifa, khoifa, khoif. It is not khoifa, it is khifa. Okay? When the letter is with kasra, we have to make the letter a little bit lighter than needed. Khifa, not khoifa. Okay, and this is the third mistake. The next mistake that may happen when we read letter Kha is to make qalqala sound on it. Qalqala, or vibration sound, to vibrated sound, or repeating, or after closing its articulation point, reopen it again. Like wa kha, wa khotara, wa khotara. And it is not wa kha. The sound of Kha is not wa kha. It is wa khotara, wa khotara, wa khotara, like this. Keep the sound continuous and do not over closing the articulation point so that the mouth automatically open it again. So this sound will be produced like wa kha, wa kha. Okay, so this is the mistake. How to fix it? Try to let the sound pass completely and let this part, which is the throat part, to be relaxed. Wa khotara. And the fifth mistake and the last one is mixing its sound with any other from the throat letters. Even the ghain, even the ha, even the ayn. Making the kha letter removing some of its needed characteristics may lead to that, because by logic, all the letters are articulated from the same or even so close articulation point. What will change them than each other? The characteristics. So, wakh, yakh, sha, for example, if I move the tongue a little bit towards up or upward, it will produce ghains, yakh, sha, and the meaning completely different. And we have to make sure that we read the letter properly. So, not reading as yakh, we read it as yakh, sha, and this is the mistake. How to solve this? Try to put the tongue, hit the tongue, the proper point to produce kha letter. Yakhsha, yakhsha. And when we ask you to make the sound of a kha like a snoring sound, not to make the exact sound of kha, of a snoring sound, but it is to near the image to your mind, how to read letter kha. Try to check yourself and see what's the mistakes that you have, and try to practice. If you have any of these mistakes, don't forget to fix that. And if you have any question, don't forget to ask me. Jazakumullahu khairan. Catch you inshallah on the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.